Imagine this. You walk past a quiet, peaceful garden. But if you could hear high-frequency sounds, you'd be met with the screams of thirsty plants, the cries of injured leaves, and even secret warning signals passing between trees. This isn't science fiction, it's real. And today, we're diving into the hidden world of plant communication. 1. Plants emit ultrasonic screams when stressed. In 2023, scientists at Tel Aviv University recorded plants emitting high-pitched clicks around 20 to 150 kilohertz when dehydrated or cut. These sounds are louder than normal, like a plant's version of a distress call. 2. They cry for help. Tomato and tobacco plants release airborne chemicals when attacked by caterpillars. Nearby plants detect these signals and preemptively produce toxins to defend themselves. 3. Trees have a wood wide web. Forest trees are connected by a massive underground fungal network. They use it to share nutrients, send danger signals, and even nurture their young. 4. Plants recognize their siblings. See, rocket plants grow less aggressively when sharing soil with siblings versus strangers, suggesting they can tell family apart. 5. They hear running water. Pea plant roots can detect water vibrations through soil growing toward the sound of a stream, even if it's piped. 6. Flowers eavesdrop on bees. Evening primroses temporarily sweeten their nectar when they detect bee wing vibrations, ensuring pollinators visit them first. 7. Plants have a 24-hour memory. Mimosa pudica. Plants remember harmless stimuli after 2 to 3 exposures and stop reacting. 8. They scream louder in drought. Stressed plants emit more frequent ultrasonic clicks, up to 30 to 50 per hour when severely dehydrated. 9. Trees sleep at night using lasers. Scientists found birch trees droop their branches up to 10 centimeters at night, a rhythmic cycle akin to sleep. 10. They count to survive. Venus flytraps only snap shut after 2 touches of their trigger hairs, ensuring they don't waste energy on false alarms. 11. Plants taste their enemies. When cabbage loopers, a type of caterpillar, munch on leaves, plants detect their saliva and release chemicals to attract parasitic wasps. 12. They smell danger. Goldenrod. Plants release odors when attacked by beetles. Nearby plants catch the scent and prepare defenses before being bitten. 13. Roots talk via electrical pulses. Corn seedlings send rapid electrical signals through their roots when stressed, like a plant version of nervous system alerts. 14. They remember seasons. Some plants track daylight length to decide when to flower, a skill called photoperiodism. 15. Trees nurse their young. Mother trees in forests prioritize sending nutrients to their offspring through fungal networks, even shading rival seedlings to help their own. 16. Plants faint when overwhelmed. Overstimulated mimosa pudica plants temporarily collapse like a dramatic plant swoon. 17. They cooperate with predators. Cotton plants release specific chemicals when attacked by aphids, which only attract ladybugs. 18. Seeds choose when to sprout. Some seeds delay germination if they sense nearby plants of the same species, avoiding competition. 19. They learn from experience. Plants exposed to gentle wind grow sturdier stems, anticipating future storms. 20. Your houseplant might know. Controversial, but fascinating. Some studies suggest plants react differently to people who care for them versus strangers. So the next time you walk past a tree, remember, it might be listening, communicating, and even warning its friends about you. Nature is far smarter than we ever imagined. If your mind is blown, smash that like button and tell me in the comments, would you eat plants if they could scream? Asking for a vegan friend. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got way more weird science coming your way.